might be wondering why I'm wire brushing a brick. Well, it's a perfect time to, I'm so glad you asked. It's a perfect time to tell you about an interesting little project.
Hey Tay, why are you wire brushing a brick?
That's a great question, everyone.
And good timing.
Yeah, and perfect timing. We just so happen to be ready to show you something and have a camera rolling. What a great time for a question.
Funny how things work out.
Yeah, it's almost like we planned it. We're doing this project for Roanoke College, and on the off chance that we're not allowed to tell you anything, you'll actually never see this video. But the old auditorium at Roanoke College got demolished, and I imagine a new one is being built in its place. So we were hired to create 3 plaques that incorporate one of the bricks from this auditorium, and they're given out to, you know, whoever the higher ups are involved in the project or whatever. So there's the text engraved by the MR1, which is very, very cool, using a 1/4-inch chamfer bit. We've got the 3 plates prepared. They're all a little different, which is fun. And what we've come up with is the brick is going to go right here, even margins around the bottom. And then I'm going to make these staples out of 1/2-inch rebar that will go like so. And then we'll just weld them to the plate down there. So you have this really cool display. You know, clean metal, dirty brick, nice change in contrast of textures. And then we'll just clear coat the whole thing, and then that's the job. It's a cool little trophy, cool little plaque. Yet another fun award, artistic type project that we've got here. I've made 3 of these. I gotta order more rebar to make the rest of these, but I have just enough to make 1 plaque's worth of rebar staples. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. So we came up with an internal spacing between the legs of the staple as 1.5 inches. So I found an 1.5 inch block of steel, and I welded this little pipe to the bottom of it so that I can set my rebar like that. Heat right here, bend it over, heat the next corner, bend it over, and then cut it down. And that's my rebar staple. So let's do one of these together, shall we? Also, we found this enormous rosebud torch in my old collection of things I found in the price filler machine shop. This thing gets gnarly.
I think it's ancient.
Also, it backfired a second ago, and it sounded like an actual gun.
Oh God. Oh, that's what I heard. Dear God.
Dude, it's like a piece of the sun.
Forget showing a caveman a smartphone, show him that thing.
Dude, yeah. Remember that thing you guys rubbed sticks together for 4 hours to start? So anyway, that's that. That's just a little skewed up, but that's okay. And then all I really do is this first one that I liked the size of. Just, hot. Slip on there, and everybody watch your eyes.
Bag it up, Terry.
Bag it up, Terry.
Hot, 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 hot.
Hot, 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 hot. Quick little 10-minute bending jig. If I were making 100 of these, I'd probably make it a little more refined, but I'm making, so then from here, we will let them cool, take them to the wire wheel and polish them up a little bit. Because again, that's sort of a nice contrast, shiny metal next to old brick. Then I'll pull out some ER308 stainless filler wire, make some nice rainbow welds around where these attach to the plate, and we'll be good.
Bada bing, bada boom.
So I'll do that. All that stuff I just said is what you'll see next.
And, all right, get to it.
In a linear production fashion. All right, well, there we go. There's the first one welded up. Very pleased with how that came out. Nice stainless TIG beads. Very cool looking piece. It stands up on its own, which is really cool. It's sort of hard to see in this light, but as light moves around it, it gets really cool. Because all the texture and the letters.
Yeah.
On the off chance that they think that's hard to read, I was playing around with putting paint in the letters. But I think it kind of cheapens it.
Yeah.
I love the raw material nature of this.
Yeah, especially with the brick.
Yeah. The brick
Yeah.
is the thing.
Yep.